kaldereta. This is onions, carrots, pepper, and potato. What? Soy sauce, pepper, salt. What?
Garlic
Garlic,
and ginger.
ginger, and there's some oil and
Tomato paste.
tomato paste, and this is the beef.
Okay. And
This is all the
magic syrup.
this is the and this is all the great ingredients you need to make it.
Okay. First,
First,
soy sauce. Put the soy sauce.
put the soy sauce. First thing, you have to put the soy sauce to the beef.
Okay. Pour it on.
Next, you put
Pepper.
next pepper,
Pepper.
so it will taste really good. And make sure to keep something.
Salt. Salt.
Salt. Make sure to keep salt so it tastes very good.
Okay. Then mix it now. Now mix it.
Now you have to mix it so it will get all mixed together.
Okay. Slowly. Hello, Tita Ruth. Okay. Now proceed to the stove.
Huh?
Proceed to the stove now.
Now you keep it to the stove.
Okay. Here we go. Give me this one. Turn on fire. This one. Okay.
Now you just wait.
For a few seconds.
You wait for a few seconds till the pot get hot, okay?
Then put
Now,
the oil.
after that, once it already get hot, make sure to keep oil.
Enough.
First, here, make sure to keep even the lid for the oil. Wait till the oil get hot.
Okay, now first garlic. Okay, pour the garlic now.
This is garlic.
Use this one. Okay. No. Put it down.
Keep the garlic. Now mix the garlic.
Say hi, Tita Ruth.
Hi, Tita Ruth.
Here. Hi, Tita Ruth. How are
Hi,
you?
Tita Ruth.
Then
After that, you keep some.
ginger.
Keep ginger.
Okay. Therefore, next
Next, you keep
pour
onion.
the onion. Okay. More onion. More
Keep
tasty.
so many. So it will be so super tasty. Keep mixing the onion and the garlic and the ginger. Don't leave
Okay, just cover for a
Now,
while.
cover it for a little while before it keeps splashing everywhere. Now wait for a few seconds till it gets hot, okay? If you're sweating, make sure to take a cloth. This is the cloth you should use for your head to not sweat. And wait till it gets a little hot so you can cook it later on.
Next.
Next, you keep these. Keep the beef. Keep the beef in the pot. Now mix it. Keep mixing it till it gets hot a little. Now close. Now close the. Keep the lid now. Let's wait for some more few seconds.
Until it gets boiled.
Now we're going to check the carrots and the potato if they taste good.
If it's already tendered.
Is there tender already?
Okay, slowly. Put that side.
Now,
Check. Is it tender now? Tender there? Check the carrot.
oh,
Okay.
it's all tender.
Okay.
So they're all good already.
Now, next.
Now you keep the pepper.
Bell pepper.
Keep the big pepper. Now you stir it all up. Mix it nicely.
Stir it properly. Next. So, what menu is this? What is the menu? The name of the menu? Beef kaldereta.
This is beef kaldereta. So once it gets done, it will taste good like beef kaldereta. Beef kaldereta needs vegetables, so it tastes good.
Okay. Now,
Now we covered it.
we'll cover it again and leave for,
Now we'll leave it for 5 minutes.
let's say 2 minutes, you fine. Okay?
Now just wait till it gets hot. Now we're going to check if it is already going to be served to the people who just now order it. Take the lid. Now stir it all up.
Now is it ready to serve now?
Yeah.
Check once again.
It is, good.
It's okay now. Stir it properly.
Keep stirring it.
No, now it's ready. Okay. Can you try the taste?
You try.
Come on. One more. Okay. Now it's ready to serve.
Now we'll skip it to a plate.
Use.
Now you take this one which have a big place. Take it with it carefully. You keep on burning my hand. You know my hand is still small. You don't take it. I will take it.
Put. Okay. Put some carrot. Carrot. More carrot. Put more carrot. Enough. Okay. Now, this is our finished product now.
Now, you just keep it in the plate. Wait till it cool. After that, you eat it later.
Okay, can you try the taste?
You try, okay? Act like you're the chef now.
You're the chef, no?
Now, let's try it out.
Let me try the taste.